Hello guys, welcome to Amber Health Beauty Tips. Today I am going to show with you how to install ring light with tripod. So this is my new ring light I had purchased here. You can see, and then this is the tripod. I will show you now how to install this ring light with tripod. See guys, first I am going to open this tripod. Just you have to pull it from three sides also. It's very easy to install. I'm going to pull it some more. So now the stand is like this. Now next I'm going to take the ring light. And here is ring light. Can you see? This is the ring light. What I have to do guys for this? Now see guys, this is the ring light. Now I am going to fix this one with this. Here is a small button. Can you all see? This is a small button. I am going to keep this one here and I will rotate this one. I have to keep it straight and just need to rotate. See, I have just kept in it, but it's not strong. Because it was not strong, we have to put the screw. They have given one screw here. We have to add this screw here. Now I am going to add this one. Nobody is here to help me. I am alone doing. So someone have to hold this. See, it's tight now. You can see my ring light tripod, and now 75% is ready. If you want to bend in any direction, you just need to loose this screw and then you have to change the direction. Now we are going to add the mobile holder which they had given in it. Now first of all have to make it free. I'm going to make it free, and see guys, this is like a ball type. In this I'm going to put this one first and then this one. This is the main thing. You don't need to worry, just you have to push. See, that's it. And then you have to tighten up. Just with one hand itself I am doing this one. Very easy guys, no need to worry. First I am also thinking how to fix this one, and then I thought let me try it. If we try, nothing is difficult, but we have to try. See guys, my tripod is ready now. Can you see? Ring light tripod is ready. Now I will show you how it looks. I had given a cable like this. Can you see? And there are some buttons also in it. On, off, dim light, more light if you want, like that. So with this we have to connect with any of your phone connector, like this, and then I will Can you see guys, my ring light tripod is ready. Alhamdulillah, I got this one. So I think everybody knows how to install this ring light tripod. I hope it will be very useful video for you all. I hope you all like my video. Kindly subscribe my channel, like and share. Kindly share among your friends and family members. They have given here 2-3 options guys. Let us try what is this one. First I am going to try this one. Oh, that's that only. Then I'm going to just little dim, that's it. And then this is like fan type. Oh, this is the golden light, and this is the on and off button. See, this is the on and light button. It's very good, guys. I hope you all like my video. Thank you. Bye bye. Hereafter I will start making the videos. Thank you. Bye.